Google Play Store contains millions of apps, games, and useful tools in its library. Sometimes we might find it difficult to choose the best and desired app from such a huge collection. So we will be helping you to find the needle in a haystack and will be guiding you towards some of the best useful and must-have Android apps which you can download on your smartphone. Also, this video has been sponsored by Wondershare and they are giving away a free iPad Air. So if you want to win, then do watch the video to know how you can win the iPad Air for yourself. So guys, this is Suleiman Khan and let's start. Kicking off the list with FamiSafe, which is an all-encompassing parental control application that offers a suite of robust features to help parents like you to monitor and control your child's smart device usage. It includes location tracking, screen time scheduler, built-in app blocker, website filter, and software that can detect potentially harmful text messages and photos. All of this detailed information is then compiled into a daily activity report and stored on your phone for easy browsing. Second one in our list is PhotoRoom. PhotoRoom is an interesting photo editor that can remove the backgrounds from your photos so that you can easily create new images from the items isolated from these photos. So say you would like to remove the background in an image that highlights a shoe. You can do that and then you are free to use that isolated image in any of your other photo projects. So the third one in our list is HeyNote. HeyNote is a simple app for creating notes that can be easily displayed on your home screen. Heck, you can even create notes for your lock screen, guaranteeing that you will never forget a note. There is also an option to choose your background for these notes, allowing you for easily readability if you go with a single color. Best of all, this app is totally free to use. So if you would like to customize your wallpapers with text or would like to keep your notes on your lock screen and home screen, HeyNote provides precisely that. So the next one in our list is Asteroid app. Asteroid app is a new live wallpaper that landed this week and it absolutely looks great in action. As you can see, an asteroid will be displayed on the center of your screen and you can of course alter the background colors as well as the colored vein that runs down the center of the space rock. Since this is a free to play release, you can take it for a spin for free. But if you would like to unlock the color options, you will have to plunk down a buck. So the next one in our list is Aurora Store. Aurora Store is one of the best Google Play Store alternative. The app comes with a smooth and interactive UI which lets you download all of your favorite apps. The best thing about Aurora Store is that it is not mandatory to use all the Google services. You have the choice to choose which Google services you want to avail. Aurora Store provides you a wide variety of apps, games, and other useful tools which you can download with ease. Aurora Store also allows to download the apps which you have been due to some security or other issues have been banned or restricted by Google Play Store. So next up we have Brave Browser. You will love the Brave browser if you are annoyed with ads and third-party cookies. The app is available for free on the Play Store. Brave browser is one of the best browsers for Android, which will optimize your browsing experience with all the basic necessities of a good browser. It will block all the third-party cookies and has an inbuilt ad blocker which will block the annoying ads at once. Apart from this, the browser is user-friendly and has all the basic features: Lime incognito mode, history, and bookmarks. So with Brave browser, we have come to the end of this list, and now let's talk about the iPad Air giveaway and how you can win. Now Wondershare FamiSafe has recently started a #SantaWithMask campaign to celebrate the Christmas and also to make awareness to stay safe in this pandemic, and they're offering one lucky contestant a free iPad Air which will be announced of their social media before 25th December 2020. To enter, click the link in the description box and you will be reverted to this page. Here you will have 3 ways to enter the giveaway. You can either choose Facebook, Instagram or Twitter to enter. So once you have entered, just post a photo with a Santa hat and mask, something like this, and hashtag FamiSafe and hashtag Santa with mask, and you are good to go. Also, you can boost your odds by also tagging hashtag FamiSafe on Facebook and Twitter. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed a lot. If you do, please do considering subscribing, liking and sharing our channel. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, you can follow me by the name of Sulaiman Khan Hi-Fi.